Guys, so welcome back to yet another video on Win vs Droid, and I'm making a video on after a long time. So here we have a box. It's actually an imported product. So I imported this product from ebay.com. Let's see what's inside. You might already be knowing. So you can see there is this tape. I believe that it was opened by the customs officials. Now let's hope that they have not damaged anything inside. They might have checked it to see what's inside. I was actually expecting that I would have to pay customs duty, but thankfully I didn't have to pay it. Oops. I'm very much excited for this product, and it's been almost a month since I ordered this. So inside we have this thing for Dell Mini 5 Streak. It won't work in India, and let's hope that this is safe and working. Seems good. Okay, it does have a crack over here, unfortunately. Nothing else. So this is the Dell Streak 5. Let's hope it does not have any more damage. It's actually a used product. And that's it. This is the only thing that's bothering me, a crack over here, if you are able to see that. Otherwise it's just fine. This is the battery. It's 1530 mAh battery. Okay, so the price I paid for this is around 10,500 rupees through PayPal, and including shipping and the price of the phone itself. And I was expecting to pay around 4,000 odd rupees in customs duty, but thankfully I didn't have to pay anything. I was surprised when the postman gave it to me and left without taking any money. So I don't know how this happened, how I didn't have to pay the customs duty, because from the package it seems that they did check what is the content inside, so they might have seen the smartphone. So it's a bit surprising, maybe because there was no package and there was only the phone and the battery and this charger. There was no box inside. That could be a reason. I'm not exactly sure. Now I'll just charge this phone and then set it up and then return. Hopefully it's in working condition. So as you can see, it does have some power. So let's check if it boots up. Okay, so I had totally forgotten about this device that I had ordered from eBay, and I had actually purchased it around 4-5 months back, and it lay there in my desk, in my drawer for a long time without me bothering to use this. But I found out that I had to complete this video. So this thing actually did not come with the stock Android that I was expecting. It actually came with some ancient Xiaomi MIUI. I don't remember the exact version, and it did work for a few days, but unfortunately this thing stopped charging, and it has a proprietary cable, but the problem is not with the cable, and I have 2 sets of battery. I am able to charge my Dell Streak 7 tablet using the same cable, but this does not charge, and I have 2 sets of batteries and both are not charging, which means that there is some internal issue. and I have given up on this device. Let's see if it has some charge. It does switch on and then switches off again. Let's see. Okay, now it's completely gone. 0%. Doesn't charge. Don't know why. Maybe some issue inside. So that means that my $200 have gone down the drain, and I wasted that money. I could have used it to buy something much better, but that's it. And I didn't mind sending it back because when I purchased it on ebay.com and imported it from US, sorry, it was imported from Australia. The shipping costs were 3,500 rupees. So that means out of 10,500, 3,500 was shipping, so 7,000. And if I send it back, then I might have to again pay some shipping charges, and then I don't know how much I would get back, so I didn't bother sending it. And that means that my second attempt at getting Android Gingerbread smartphone has failed. You might have seen on my channel, I had done the unboxing of this smartphone a few months back. That was from eBay India, but the issue with that was that the seller didn't provide a battery. So I wish I had not sent that back and kept it. I could have purchased a battery and used it, but with this there is no way I can send it back. That means as of now it's already too late to send it back, but that's it. So I don't know if I would be able to get an Android Gingerbread device anytime soon. Maybe it's not possible anymore to get an Android Gingerbread device with 5-inch touch screen and having pure Android Gingerbread, vanilla Android installed in it. So that's my sad story. Anyways, so that's it as far as this video was concerned, guys. I hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.